Hi, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in one more time and for all of the support. Today I have Barbie, but it's not a doll. Today we have Barbie nail art. And I know I showed you this when I first got it, but we didn't come back and open it. And I was going through some things and decided let's do it. Now, a lot of my nails are broken off, but we still have a couple. Like we can do this one and maybe try the polish, maybe the little jewels. I don't know how they're going to stick if it's just the polish. I don't know. And the cute little nail file. This is super, super cute. It says, "We are Barbie." We got the blonde Barbie. We got the brunette Barbie. We got the violet-haired Barbie. We got another blonde Barbie, another brunette Barbie. Everyone can be Barbie. I'm Barbie. You can be Barbie. Look at how cute this is. Barbie.com. This is made in China. I'm going to put it on my nails. You decide if you want to buy it. It says nail polish under adult supervision, apply to clean nails. It doesn't say if this is a peel off or if it's water-based or acrylic, or it does not say. But it does say may contain, and then the chemicals used in normal nail polish. So I'm just going to assume it's a normal nail polish. I don't know, but not recommended for children under 3. So make sure you keep it away from the little ones. It's got the nail file, the toe separator, and the gems. Look at the toe separator. I think the best thing to do is just open it. Why talk? We need to experience the stuff. There goes the stuff. Okay, let's get it out. Well, that's disappointing. Okay, so right off the bat, I love the file. Look at how cute. And I like this. This is the picture. You file your nail on the other side. So your cute little pictures of Barbie. This is actually a good file. Listen to that. Oh, I like that nail file. Do I have any nails left on this hand? All my nails have been breaking. It is summer and all my nails are breaking. So for any nail techs that are watching, do you know why? I don't know. But look at how cute this is. I love this. I'm going to keep this in my purse. It is so cute. Now, when I opened it and I said I'm disappointed, looking at the rest, can you tell me why? I know why. Let me tell you. I thought this was so cute. Look at how sparkly and then gray. These are when you're doing a pedicure. You put your little toes in them, but that means you're going to look at blah. I guess you could turn it around. Okay, so picture if these were my feet and these are my little toes, right? I mean, I don't know. But you know what? Look at that. Along with anything, can you see it on my hands? Right there. The glitter is coming off. Come on, Barbie. I don't know. I still like it. We could actually glue this on a hairband and make it into like a little crown. Might keep that. I don't like toe separators, but I might keep that. Let me see. I think it might be too big for Barbie. Let me see. It might be too big. It might be too big. Can we make it into a craft? There's Barbie. And bear with me. I have an idea. I think that's too big. Know what? That might work. That might work. That could be like a New Year's Eve crown. What do you think? Okay, I might have to keep that and put it into my art supplies. I'm thinking. Let me know in the comments. Use it as a toe separator. I mean, they only give you one. You paint two. I know you do your toes one foot at a time, but I think you need 2. Why wouldn't they give me 2 of these in this little kit? I don't know. But tell me in the comments. Crown for New Year's Eve for Barbie. I mean, it could be a really big necklace, but I think that would just be, that's too much. But I think a crown. I think it would work as a crown. We just need a little hairband, huh? I mean, okay, maybe not. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Should we keep it as a crown? Should we use it as a toe separator? I guess you're expected to buy 2 of these? I don't know. But let's look at the nail gems. Like, how do you get them out? Oh, I see. It's like a needle kit, like when you're sewing. You would just tip it, and then I guess you need, look at that. Can you see that? Probably shouldn't have picked green if we're going to do a green background. So we just slide it. This is easier said than done. Okay, we're going to slide it this way. Okay. I mean, you can use these for anything. Look at that. So cute. These are cute. Okay, I'm going to put these back so I don't lose them. Ah, they're going everywhere. Why can't I ever keep things neat? I don't know. So far, loving this. I'm thinking art project. I put it back in frame, right? Oh my goodness. Art project. Absolute keep. Now let's try the polish. This is plastic and it does say Barbie and it says nail polish. And 2021 Mattel. This might be old. Let's see. Oh, but look. Okay. Okay. This is a really tiny, tiny bottle of polish. Bear with me. Okay. I'm thinking this might be perfect for something other than my fingers. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Okay, can she hold this? We're going to bring out our Maple Lee doll. And look. Okay. This is a pretty big polish for our 18-inch dolls. Can I get her to hold it? No, I can't. It's just a little too big. Oh, darn. But this, if you have the Maple Lee, the American Girl doll, what am I thinking? In their dresser, makeup stand, salon, this bottle, I mean, come on, guys. Look at the size comparison. That is, it might seem a little big, but it fits in their hand. Look at how it fits in their hand. This could be in your 18-inch doll. I mean, right? It could be. I don't know. Maybe it's a different use. But we're here to test this, so let's get it open. Look at how tiny. And it is plastic. Super cute. Can you see the glitter in there? Okay, let's put it on my nails. Wow, I'm actually impressed. Wow. Look at the glitter. A little goes a long way, guys. Oh my gosh. I don't know if this is quick drying. I don't know. I just messed that nail up so bad. And this one, of course, my pinky nail broke this morning and I had to cut it off. But look at the glitter. Look at the difference before and after. Oh, it's not doing it any justice. Okay, let's try to put one of these in. Okay. All right, I'm going to drop them. I'm making a mess. Oh my gosh. Okay. I think we should have used tweezers. I just dropped it again. Okay. 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 All right. Okay, I can't do fancy nail design, but can you see my hand? I have glitter all over me. I'm going to get so much glitter all over everything. So this is a slow drying polish. And I think the polish is enough to keep. Did I just say that? I was just about to say the polish is enough to keep the gem on. I think it's because my hand is too sticky now. Yeah, my hand is too sticky. Okay, now. So I think if you use tweezers, you could do this. Can we put another, oh my gosh. Look at how much brighter it gets when you add a second coat. Okay. So absolutely, you are going to want to layer this. Oh my gosh, guys, do you see that? Look at how pink that is. This is so cute. And oh, okay. I thought this just spilled. Look at the, oh my gosh. Okay. All right. This is becoming more and more of a win. Look at how the bottle's shaped. Did you see when I tipped it? It didn't fall. Oh, I mean, it does now because the lid is on. Let me take the lid out. Okay. I'm going to take the lid out. There's the lid. I'm going to stick it offside. Okay. Here's the bottle. When you tip it, look, it doesn't tip over. And all the polish is building up here so that it doesn't fall. Oh my gosh. This alone makes this a win. Look at the glitter that's coming. I mean, I'm not maybe I'm not a fan of the nail gems, but like, look at that glitter. Oh my gosh. So sparkly. Do you see that? Compare that to, I'm just dropping everything, the previous nail. Look at that. Look at that. That is really nice coverage. I mean, you don't get a lot, maybe a couple uses, but if this is for a kid and you're giving this to someone, yeah, I don't know, maybe it's just that my nails don't suit these, but like, guys, the sparkle, I love this. Okay, honest review. I don't like these. Not at all. This looks funny on my hand. I just shifted the whole background. I'm sorry. Don't like this. If you like nail art, this though, I think is a good price because I don't know how much nail art is. And this was only a couple dollars. So no for me. No for me. Absolute yes. Absolute yes. And this, the fact that it doesn't tip. I mean, when the lid is off and it's plastic, this is the win for me. I think I paid under $2 for this. Absolute win. Yes, if you like nails and nail art. Here's another one. I'm going to be picking out these little nail gems everywhere. But this was an absolute win for me. I can't get over the glitter and the shine. I'm so happy. I am so happy with this. Absolutely. Let me know in the comments. Look, I just found another one. Oh my goodness. There it is. There's another one. Oh my gosh. Okay, I just dropped it again. Okay. Let me know in the comments. Do you have these? Would you buy these? Where have you seen these? There's my one weird nail with the gem, but here are the other two. Absolute win for me. Thank you so much for watching and for all the support and for letting me do fun things like paint my nails with Barbie nail polish. I couldn't do it without you. Thank you so much, everyone. I'll see you next week.